So these are the things you'll need for your confetti helium balloon. So make sure you have your transparent balloon, your confetti, and your helium gel. So you're going to insert it to the bottom of your balloon and give it one good pump like that. Make sure it stays at the bottom, not the neck of the balloon. So you're going to massage it around. And then you're going to use this tool to open up the mouth of the balloon so that it'll be easy for you to insert your confetti inside. Grab a stick or a pencil if you have one to push in the confetti. It'll be easier that way. You could also use a funnel just in case you don't have the tool. And then you're going to inflate your balloon with helium, but make sure you do it slowly and so it doesn't pop. And that's how it's going to look like with your confetti. Now you just need your ribbon and you're going to just have to tie it around. Just like that. So here's your confetti helium balloon.